Okay, so once again, good day everyone. So this time we focus on the strategic management in government. Strategic in government refers to the systematic planning, execution, and evaluation of actions and initiative to achieve long-term goals and objectives in the public sector. It involves applying strategic management principles commonly associated with the private sector to enhance the performance and effectiveness of government organizations. Strategic management in government involves the formulation and implementation of strategies to align government activities with the overarching mission, vision of and goals. No, it is a proactive and forward-looking approach that aims to enhance the overall performance of government agency. And to give us more details about the topic, let us all welcome our presenter. Go ahead.
So, good morning, sir. My name is Maria Ida Cornelio Bautista. Bale, yung sa Zoom ko po, sir, Francis Jun po yung na pasukan ko, sir. Good morning. Strategic management in government. So strategic management in government involves the application of strategic planning and management principles to enhance the effectiveness, efficiency, and responsiveness of public administration. It is a structured approach that aligns an organization's resources and actions with its mission and objectives, ultimately contributing to improve public service delivery. Here are the key related to strategic management in government. Strategic planning, stakeholder engagement, performance measurement, resource allocation, risk management. We have strategic communication, innovation and technology, change management, collaboration and partnerships, ethical and legal compliance, continuous monitoring and evaluation, ability, capacity building. For the strategic planning, vision and mission, it defined the organization's vision and mission to articulate its purpose and desired future state. Next is the SWOT analysis, conducting a comprehensive analysis of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to inform strategic decision-making. For the goals and objectives, establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals and objectives aligned with the organization's mission. Second is the stakeholder engagement. Identify and engage with key stakeholders, including citizens, civil society, and other government agencies. Solicit input from stakeholders to ensure that strategic priorities align with the needs and expectations of the community. Develop key performance indicators to measure progress toward strategic objectives, and implement performance management systems to track and evaluate organizational performance against established benchmarks. Third is the performance measurement. It allocates resources as efficiently and effectively as possible to meet corporate objectives. The fourth one is the resource allocation. It sets priorities and distribute funds in a way that is consistent with strategic objectives. And for the risk management, it determines any risk and uncertainties that could affect the accomplishment of strategic goals. For the strategic communication, it creates a communication strategy to inform internal and external stakeholders of the organization's strategic goals and actions, and to increase trust and involvement and promote an environment of openness and honesty. For the innovation and technology, it leverages technology and embrace innovation to improve organizational efficiency and service delivery, and use digital tactics to increase accessibility and expedite procedures and support data-driven decision-making. For the change management, uh, put change management procedures in place to handle organizational changes brought forth by strategic initiatives. Employees should receive assistance and training to help them adjust to changing work practices. For the collaboration and partnerships, to tackle difficult challenges, encourage cooperation with non-governmental groups, sector, and other government departments. Form strategic alliances to take advantage of shared knowledge and resources. The ethical and compliance. It ensured the strategic initiatives adhere to ethical standards and legal requirements, and incorporate ethical considerations into decision-making processes and organizational culture. For continuous monitoring and evaluation, it regularly monitors progress toward strategic goals and evaluate the effectiveness of implemented strategies. It also uses feedback and evaluation results to make informed adjustments and improvements to the strategic management process. 12 is the sustainability. It considers the long-term impact and sustainability of strategic initiatives. It integrates environmental, social, and economic considerations into strategic decision-making. For the capacity building, it invests in the development of organizational capabilities and the skills of employees to support the successful implementation of strategic initiatives. And what is strategic management? A methodical and thorough approach to developing, putting into practice, and overseeing an organization's strategy for achieving its goals and objectives is known as strategic management. In order to help an organization match its internal capabilities with external opportunities and challenges, it entails a number of procedures, instruments, and frameworks. And organizations need strategic management to acquire a competitive edge, make educated decisions, and adapt to their changing circumstances. Importance of strategic management in government includes alignment with public interest, optimal resource allocation, enhanced policy formulation, adaptation to changing environments, improved service delivery, accountability and transparency, effective governance and decision-making, stakeholder engagement and collaboration, crisis preparedness and response, the long-term planning and development, promotion of innovation. Uh, to end this topic, strategic management in government, when implemented effectively, can lead to transformative changes fostering a more responsive, efficient, and accountable public service. That's all, sir, and thank you. Good morning. Sir? Ay, hello, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, tapos na po.
Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, no, in the strategic management in government, we look into the activities of overarching vision, mission, and goals. Like private organizations, no, government entities, no, define their mission, vision, and goals as a foundation for strategic management. The mission outlines the purpose and responsibilities of the government agency, while the vision provides a future-oriented perspective. Goals set the specific outcomes that the agency seeks to achieve. Effective strategic management in government involves engaging a, with a diverse set of stakeholders, no, including the citizen, elected officials, civil servants, and other organizations. Understanding and incorporating the needs and expectation of stakeholders is critical for successful strategy formulation and implementation. Governments operate in dynamic environments influenced by political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental factors. Strategic management requires a thorough analysis of these external factors to anticipate challenges and opportunities that may impact the achievement of government objectives. Conducting a strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, or the SWOT analysis, is a common strategic management tools in government. This analysis helps identify, internal strengths and weaknesses and external opportunities and threats, guiding strategic decision making. Again, the internal, of course, focus on the strengths and weaknesses, and for the external, what will be the opportunities and threats. Strategic management in government, often involves the development and implementation of policies that align with the overall strategy. Policies serve as guidelines, for decision making and actions, ensuring consistency and coherence in the pursuit of organizational goals. Government utilize key performance indicators and other metrics, to assess the effectiveness of strategic initiatives. Regular evaluation enables adjustment to strategies based on performance data and feedback from stakeholders. Governments face various risks, including political, economic, and operations uncertainties, because a strategic management, incorporate risk assessment and mitigation strategies to enhance resilience, and adaptability in the face of unforeseen challenges. Strategic management requires optimal allocation of resources, including budgetary allocation, personnel, and technology. Because I believe, efficient resource utilization is crucial for achieving strategic goals while maintaining fiscal responsibility. And the dynamic nature of government operations necessitates a commitment to continuous improvement. Agencies must adapt their strategies based on changing circumstances, lesson learned from past experiences, and advancement in management practices, ensuring ongoing relevance and effectiveness. And I think that's it for module number 2.